Hello, happy homemakers. Today I am bringing you a Christmas Eve bag video. We have 3 girls and I don't have a box to put all this stuff in, so I thought I would just make them all individual bags. I did put 1 popcorn in. I'm going to have to get some more because that's all we had, but it's not, Christmas Eve is not for a few days. But I just put a toy in each, like a thing that they would appreciate in each, and then a book and pajamas and all that stuff. And will tell you that in the video as I'm putting it in the bags. But we have 4 girls, but we have a 4-month-old and she doesn't really understand. Honestly, she'll probably be in bed when the girls get these. So anyway, here we go. So I am putting together these bags. I just got all these random bags that I've saved from like years past. And to be completely honest, I just came up with these bags like on the spot, which you could probably tell by watching. But we did have all these pajamas planned out for this purpose and for Christmas Eve. Our Christmas Eve is actually Christmas Eve because Santa Claus comes to our house Christmas Eve to bring presents for us to open on Christmas Eve, because we have a really busy Christmas day, and so we just do Christmas Eve as our main Christmas for our family. And I added these books. We could read all of them as a family. I added this journal for our oldest and pens. I added a Barbie for our 9-year-old. And then for our 3-year-old, she's been asking for a doctor kit. So I made this doctor kit from the Dollar Tree, and I bought the bag on Amazon. And she is going to love it. And I added popcorn just to the 3-year-old's bag, but I am going to buy more popcorn to put in each bag. I did go ahead and decide to add these face masks. Our girls love face masks, and I don't let them do it very often, but I had them in my closet and thought that would be a fun thing for us to do, and they would enjoy it. Here's their bags. I didn't put anything on top, just a bunch of stuff inside. And we will also watch a movie this night, I am positive. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this gave you some really good ideas, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.